Suppose that in a random selection of 100 colored candies, 25% of them are blue. The candy company claims that the percentage of blue candies is equal to 26%. Use a 0.01 significance level to test that claim. So the null hypothesis is a statement that the value of a population parameter is equal to. And then the alternate hypothesis is a statement that the parameter has a value that somehow differs from the null hypothesis. So here the claim is that the percentage of blue candies is equal to 26%. So the null hypothesis is equal to 26%, and the alternate hypothesis is going to be not equal to 26%. And since we are working with proportion, we can use StatCrunch. Get our answers. So we can go on stat, proportion, stat, one sample with summary. We don't have the actual data. From there, enter all the information that you have. Number of observation is the number of candies. There's 100 candies. And based on this information, 25% of them are blue. So 25% of 100 is 25. 25 are blue. We're going to perform a hypothesis test for P, and the null hypothesis is equal to P equals to 0.26, and the alternate is P is not equal to 0.26. And we can choose the option to see the graph. Let's click compute. There's the test statistic and the p-value, and it's a two-tailed test, and the shaded region is going to be the p-value, which is about 0.8197, and there's the positive z-value and the negative z-value. So let's go ahead and enter our values. The test statistic rounded to 2 decimals is negative 0.23. And the p-value rounded to 3 decimal places is 0.8197, so it's going to be 0.820. Now we have to write a conclusion. So if p-value is less than or equal to significance level, we're going to reject the null. If p-value is greater than significance level, we're not going to reject the null. Then we're going to use this information to state a final conclusion that addresses the original claim with wording that can be understood by those without any knowledge of statistical procedure. So in our case, the p-value is 0.820 and the significance level is 0.01. So our p-value is greater than significance level, so we're going to say fail to reject the null. And the claim is about the null hypothesis, which means p equals to 0.26. So we're not going to reject the null hypothesis. So we're going to say fail to reject the null. There is not sufficient evidence to warrant the rejection of the claim that the percentage of blue candies is equal to 26%.